2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, compass, heated steering wheel, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, overhead console, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.